train, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang City and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, so we're in the Trang. We're on this street that we're going to walk down and show you what it looks like. We went across this particular street as well, which has the Vincom Plaza, which looks like a giant shopping mall, which I haven't been in yet. And we're basically just exploring Saigon, Nha Trang, and just kind of showing you what it looks like. Hello. Hello. And we're going to head down this street right now and go straight down that way. So stay tuned. I'll tell you a lot more in a moment. Okay, and that, my friend, is Nha Trang. So you just got a little taste of it through the music. I am going to show you on the map. So we're here in Vietnam, as you can see behind me, and the street, we're going to narrow in, and then you can see exactly where we are. And you can see that it's 2 streets parallel with the beach. So at the end, I'll have another street that's 1 street parallel with the beach. So it kind of gives you an idea of if you were to go 2 blocks in, you know, walk, you know, kind of that north-south street as the beach is north-south. That's kind of what it looks like, this particular street. So I'm going to be walking down it quite a bit, and then at the end I'm going to end up at the beach, and you saw some of that in the snippet as well. And I made the music, I created the lyrics, and I put it into an AI program. Those lyrics are behind me, so you can see those as well. Next, we're going to do the walk and talk, where I narrate and I'll kind of talk it through with the camera, and you can get the full-on experience, the people, the sounds, my voice, and kind of, you know, telling you what I'm seeing and such like that. All right, let's get into that. Nha Trang, Vietnam. Okay, so before we go down our target street, I'm just going to show you real quick. That's the mall, and then directly down that way is the beach. So there's the ocean directly down that way. Actually, check out all the tourists. There's like tons of them. Pretty cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go down our target street, and our target street is behind me. That was even lit up. Can't believe how many people are on that tour right now. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this particular one at nighttime and just show you kind of a random street in Nha Trang. And I don't really know the streets that well. I'm learning myself as we go. Okay, that's kind of cool. Got some nice music right there. Huh. There's some pretty cool stuff about Saigon. Sorry, I was just in Saigon, so I'm still thinking the word Saigon in my mind. Check out all these all this style. Kind of reminds me of Saigon as well. So, but yeah, now I'm in Nha Trang. So I'm going to show you this street in the evening. Kind of see what we can see around here. Okay, let me see. Beef rice noodles, boon bo. I think boon is beef. So I think that has all the, maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, we're gonna just keep on walking down this way a little bit and trying to give you a better idea of the Trang and what it looks like. Got more cool looking houses on this road too, on this street. I like that one in the yellow, but all of them have a nice rooftop as well. And we are going to try to go down this way, and we're gonna show you what it all looks like in this whole area. Hotel right there. The other hotel. I think that's pretty profitable. They've a lot of these kind of beautiful looking narrow homes are made into hotels, which kind of makes sense because they do have a lot of spaces and floors on them. More cool looking housing, nice balconies again. Yeah, I kind of really love the Vietnam housing styles. And plus they got these little alleys that go in the back too. So you can see that goes back. And a lot of these narrow ones are hotels, as you can see right there. So that one of those is, actually a few of those are hotels. Kind of makes sense. You buy the land and you start building narrow up that way. It just makes a really nice environment. Okay. Plus you got all these, you know, small businesses down below too, right? So, okay. Actually, Nha Trang is a nice surprise. I didn't really know how cool it was going to be. I kind of heard that it's like mostly, like, I don't know, just heard that wasn't that nice, but it is. It's cool to me. I'm liking it quite a bit. I guess there's a reason it's a tourist town. People want to come here. Another cool corner. These corner buildings are I stayed in one in Saigon that had like those kind of windows like that too. Really like that style. So we're still on our, and that's actually the cross street. Just to kind of give you a reference, the beach is almost directly down that way. If we walk down that way, it's going to be right there. Yeah. Actually, another kind of cool space. So yeah, no shortage of cool spaces everywhere. Hello. Hello. I wish I knew Vietnamese. I'd like to be able to speak more. So we're gonna walk down all the way. Here's a Korean place. Okay. I guess I should film. There's also bikes that they block, so I don't know if I'm always filming that direction or not. Hello. Hello. We got a nice restaurant right there. It's really beautiful. We got nice plants out here. But yeah, you do get things that block the sidewalk. But it's actually much better than when I was in Saigon. Much better. But it's also a reflection of the street I'm on, so it could be completely different. Actually, whenever I see these red signs, it's like exclusively in Vietnamese and Chinese. So I guess that's their market. I guess that makes sense. More cool buildings everywhere. And some people going by on their bike. I often see these kind of trees right here. I guess what I heard before I got here was that there was it was basically just all Russians. Maybe they come in the other time. This is July right now, so maybe it's different in different time periods. It's kind of a cool looking place. Anyways, I'm kind of looking for something specific, so I'm going to. Oh, these are kind of everywhere. They kind of lit up at nighttime. So I'm actually looking for something in particular right now, so I'm gonna probably come to an end for this particular street. I might go down there to that waterfront, which I think is what I'm gonna do. Just give a proper perspective of everything. Okay, so let's just take you right down to the beach, just to give you an idea where we are. I'll just show these signs again. So let's go down this way. We have, I think it looks like it's all kind of lit up all the way to the beach, I believe. So that's the first spot that we're gonna come across already. Cool music. There's a Lotte Mart over there. Now the beach is just 1 block away, and we were down that way just a moment ago. Oh, okay. I was just gonna film that coffee shop, but looks like we're gonna be going across instead. So we're just kind of meandering, and now we're at that spot if you're looking at the map. So yeah, there's a lighthouse over there. Looks like the one you'd see in you see them in Thailand and some of the beach resorts there. Domino's Pizzas over there. And then I guess this one that we're next to right now is the school. Okay. And then directly that way is the beach. So now we're kind of on this main road right here. I'll just kind of highlight it real quick. So that's kind of our cross street. So we're going to try to go across it. Let's see if we're successful or not. So that's that mall right there. And we are going to try to go across. And we're going to be successful. And now we're at the beach. Wow, amazing. So anyways, there's actually a lot of people here right now too. Well, let's go down. So yeah, that's actually the beach, and you can see the city streets right there. You can see them all the way down. Yeah, now I can see why there's so many people that. This is really cool. There we go. So you can see all the Sheridan, all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so we're gonna end this video. And there's more stuff down that way.